Hello friends, I am Shushant Raghavan. Welcome to Technical and Quality Session. For understanding the technical requirements and quality standards in clothing industry making a sustainable garment, I have good practical experience in the apparel manufacturing sector. My skills are CAD pattern making, sample development, technical requirements and measuring quality performance. Today's session is about sewing technology trends in the apparel industry. For more sessions like this, do like and subscribe to my channel. Now let's begin the presentation. Sewing technology trends. Popular technology trends in apparel industry. Industry 4.0. With the outburst of Industry 4.0, the apparel industry is witnessing the outbreak of innovations in sewing process. These innovations are changing the status of apparel manufacturers from being manually relied to tech and digitally focused. Apart from helping in shortening time to market, these trends have taken competition to the next level, which surely will become a survival necessity in the coming future. Text process and CISMA are the two events that note the new technological developments for apparel industry, disrupting the use of current methods. Machine sewing. Decorative stitching requires an accurate fabric feeding to the machine, resulting in precise stitching. It is the operator and his high skill set which manipulate the fabric direction to sew, curve and other shapes of patches to be sewed. In the wake of scarcity of high skill set, machine sewing system emerges as an easy way out to obtain flawless decorative stitches. The system can be integrated with conventional single needle lock stitch, chain stitch machines or electronically programmable pattern sewing machines. The vision sewing system integrated with an industrial camera look capture image processes the captured image at the split of a second and directs mechanical action by transferring it to the electronic programmable sewing machine. The whole process requires no high skill sets. Instead, much lesser time. The key benefits of vision sewing include a consistent sewing speed for multiple patch sewing, automatic sewing of patterns, improved less handling of the garment or fabric and no operator sewing skills. Brother Vision sewing system pioneered the system and more players are likely to follow soon. Pedalless sewing. Foot pedals in sewing machine is one area where sewing machine operators spend most of their time to get control while sewing complex stitches and the critical parts. The industrial sewing machines are slowly coming up with the concept of pedalless sewing machine, rendering electronic control of stitches. Xi'an Typical recently won Text Process Innovation Award 2017 for its Witron trace, the first sensor-based technology that offers full control over industrial sewing machines without pedals. The natural working movements of the user are mapped as if by an invisible hand and the data collected used to begin the new step. Automatic bobbin changer. A single needle lock stitch operating at high efficiency comes to a sudden halt when the bobbin thread is consumed fully and requires replacement with a new bobbin. Usually carried out manually, the process consumes additional time, rendering a plunge in productivity. For uninterrupted sewing, automatic bobbin changes are becoming the need of the hour. Kinoshita has successfully commercialized the use of automatic bobbin changers, which stocks 8 bobbins in the exchange plate and can be integrated with single needle lock stitch machines. Embroidery machines on one hand are finding greater utility of automatic bobbin changes while the industrial sewing machines are still new to this. Tajima's Smart Bobbin Changer SBC can take only 6 seconds to replace the bobbins for all heads, reducing the downtime of the machine due to bobbin replacement. Another embroidery machine player, Aura Technologies, also employs pneumatic bobbin changer in its embroidery machines. Recently, Jack has announced auto bobbin changer in its single needle lock stitch model. Real-time monitoring in sewing machines. The apparel industry is now moving fiercely towards Industry 4.0 and digitalization is one outcome of the same. With discrete geotropic locations of apparel units, it becomes almost difficult to control and monitor the status of production. Real-time monitoring is what apparel industry is harshening the most out of shop floor. The smart sewing machines are networked over a server which can be viewed over a smartphone or a tablet from anywhere in the world. This real-time status not only helps in the detection of probable obstructions during production but also mentions the scope of productivity improvement. Convertibility in sewing machine. Convertibility of bed type, feed type and stitch type is a long pending requirement in sewing machine. Juki and Brothers double needle lock stitch machine used to offer switching between needle feed to drop feed for long time. Bed types were often custom converted from raised to flat type in case of overlock for long seams. However, now some brands offer smudged bed to raised bed in case of eyelet buttonhole machine. Bar type to button sewing convertibility is another recent offering by sewing brands. Simply by changing the pressure foot, switching the mode of the built-in software, bar type machine can work as a button sewing machine without changing the parts inside the machine. Both typical and Suruba BT290 offer such model. Modular sewing machines. The innovation in this section brings forth the development of modular sewing machines where the components can be changed and fitted with a new component to adjust to future needs. Such facility no longer requires buying of a new machine, thus increasing the flexibility of the existing sewing machine. Witron by Zen Typical is the first sewing machine which has grouped all the components of the sewing machine into technology modules that can be exchanged at any time. The company has made possible to transform a flatbed sewing machine into a long arm machine and vice versa. Sewing machine settings through mobile phone. The newest trend is to adjust the settings of sewing machine with the help of an Android tablet in contactless mode or over Wi-Fi or even a mobile phone. The settings once changed on sewing machine can then be copied on the complete production line with just one tap on the device. Such a feature enables saving of time and a quick check for uniform settings as well as confirmation of conditions of sewing machines in a sewing line, thereby easing setup changes. Brother S7300A and Juki DDL9000C offer such features. USB port in sewing machine. Each time a new style is injected into a production line, sewing machine settings have to be adjusted on every machine. It increases the changeover time, thus slowing the production. The sewing machines are now equipped with USB port so as to facilitate the copying of settings such as stitch length and sewing speed to other sewing machines. Apart from this, easy copying of patterns and upgradation of software can also be done through the USB drive. USB ports are becoming popular amongst sewing operators as this also act as handy mobile charging points. Digital feed system in sewing machines. With the increasing labor cost, the advanced sewing machines are the need of the hour to save the time wasted in non-value added activities. A number of sewing machine manufacturers available state to improve productivity with the help of their digital feed sewing machines. Integrating digital feed in a sewing machine means separating the movement of feed dog from the main shaft, which is controlled by a servo motor. A separate motor is introduced into the machine that independently drives the feed dog. The use of a separate stepper motor allows for precise reverse feeding, descent stitching and simultaneous condensed and back tack on the same seam. Some of them are Brothers S7300A, Juki DDL9000C, Typical GC6930A and Duma DM1969M. Voice guided sewing machines. Each time some sewing machine breaks down, the operator informs the line supervisor and the mechanic is then informed to rectify the default. Most of the times, operators are unaware of the reasons that make a sewing machine to stop working. There are sewing machines available in the market that come with a voice guide feature where each button on the operation panel has a voiceover that informs the user about technical glitch like machine breakdown, oil leakage level, etc. Jack offers A5 semi-dried computerized lock stitch machine and C4 fully automatic overlock machine integrated with this voiceover feature. It also informs the operator of any error and also explains how the error can be resolved. Thank you for watching. For more sessions like this, do like and subscribe to my channel. Please comment your valuable thoughts and don't forget to press the bell icon to get notified when I post a new presentation. Bye, have a good day.